Hi guys, this is IGCSE O-Level Chemistry, paper 22, Extended MCQs, November 2022, question 31. The scheme shows 4 stages in the conversion of sulfur to sulfuric acid. In which stage is a catalyst used? So sulfur reacts with air to form sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide in stage B reacts with air to form sulfur trioxide, where V2O5 as a catalyst is used. And then sulfur trioxide reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid to form oleum, which is H2S2O7, which is also called fuming sulfuric acid. And oleum in stage D reacts with water to form concentrated sulfuric acid, which is 98% pure. Okay, so in which stage is catalyst used? We've already figured that out. It is used in stage B, making B the correct option for this question. Question 32. Which element has an oxide that is used as a food preservative? Helium is a noble gas. Hydrogen is not used as a food preservative. Iron would react with the acidic contents of food. Sulfur produces sulfur dioxide, which is used as a food preservative. This makes option D the correct option for this question. Question 33. Which substance gives off carbon dioxide on heating? Lime. Lime does not give off carbon dioxide. Lime is calcium oxide. In fact, lime could be calcium oxide, it could be calcium hydroxide, lime is a general name, and it could be calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is specifically limestone, which would give off carbon dioxide when it is heated to decompose. So limestone, definitely. Lime water is CaOH twice equals the quantity that dissolves in water, and slacked lime is CaO, calcium oxide. So limestone, which is CaCO3, would definitely produce carbon dioxide gas when it decomposes to form calcium oxide upon heating. Therefore, the correct option for this question is option B. Question 34. Which compound has the most CH2 groups in one molecule? Butane. This would be CH3, CH2, CH2, and then CH3. This has two CH2 groups. Next, we have butanoic acid, CH3, CH2, CH2, and COOH. This has the same number of CH2 as butane. Next, we have butane 1-ol. CH3, CH2, 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 and OH. This has three. The greatest number of CH2 groups so far. And the last one is but1ene. This would be CH2 double bonded CH. Then we would have CH2 and then CH3. So this only has one CH2 group. So 2, 2, 3, and 1. So the greatest number of CH2 groups is found in butane 1-ol, making option C the correct option for this question. Question 35. Methane reacts with chlorine in the presence of UV light. Which substance is not produced in this reaction? So we have methane reacting with chlorine. So this would produce chloromethane, which is option C. This would produce dichloromethane, which is option D. This would produce HCl, which is option B. And it will never produce hydrogen gas, which is option A, making A the correct option for this question. Question 36. Ethene reacts with both hydrogen and steam. Which row about these reactions is correct? Reaction with ethene, reactant with ethene would be hydrogen. The type of reaction would be addition, not substitution. So A is eliminated. And the catalyst would be nickel. No, this is incorrect. The catalyst would be H3PO4. So options A and B are both wrong. Next, option C. The reactant would be steam. the reaction would be substitution. So option D has been eliminated. And the catalyst would be phosphoric acid. Okay, there is something wrong here. Let's just go over this again. Options A and D are incorrect because hydrogen does not undergo substitution, but steam does undergo addition. Both of these are addition reactions, not substitution reactions. So first of all, let's redo this. So hydrogen does not undergo substitution, steam does not undergo substitution. A and C have been eliminated. Okay. Hydrogen undergoes addition, steam undergoes addition. Yes. So B or D is the correct answer. The catalyst for hydrogen addition is nickel, which is true. And for steam, it would be H3PO4. Sorry for the mix up before. This is how this question is supposed to be handled. So now we've got option B having hydrogen being added onto ethene in the presence of a nickel catalyst to produce ethane being correct. Therefore, option B is the correct option for this question. If the steam reaction would have been correct, it would be steam adding onto ethene producing ethanol, and the catalyst used would be H3PO4 or phosphoric acid. Question 37. Which type of reaction occurs when ethanol is converted to ethanoic acid? Ethanol is an alcohol, ethanoic acid is a carboxylic acid, and alcohol is oxidized to a carboxylic acid. So combustion, no. Decomposition, no. Neutralization, no. Oxidation, yes. Therefore, option D is the correct option for this question. Question 38. Hydrolysis of polymer P produces three compounds shown. What is the structure of polymer P? So we've got all three having an NH2 group and a COOH group. So this would form a polyamide with amide bonds present between the black and the gray box, and another amide bond present between the gray and the white box. So option A has the correct order with the amide bonds present between the boxes. Option B is incorrect because there is an NH2 group on both sides of the black box. Option C is incorrect because there is an NH2 group on both sides of the white box. And option D is incorrect because there is an NH2 group on both sides of the white box and a C double bond O group on both sides of the gray box. So the correct option for this question is option A. Question 39. Which statement about unsaturated hydrocarbons is correct? CH3, CH2, CH, CH, CH3 is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. Yes, an alkene is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. Next, ethene has more hydrogen atoms per molecule than ethane. No, ethane has more hydrogen atoms per molecule. Unsaturated hydrocarbons have double bonds between carbon and hydrogen atoms. No, between two carbon atoms. And unsaturated hydrocarbon turns aqueous bromine from colorless to brown. No, it turns aqueous bromine from brown to colorless. Therefore, option A is the correct option for this question. Question 40. The equation shows the formation of polymer called Kevlar. Okay, and Kevlar has an amide bond present. This is an amide bond. Okay, which row describes Kevlar? How the polymer is formed? So since an amide bond is present, it is a condensation polymer and not an addition polymer, eliminating options A and B. And type of polymer, it is a polyamide and not a polyester, eliminating option D, making option C the correct option for this question.